Digging into an oldie but a goodie. This is a Silverado 5.3 knock sensor replacement along with intake gaskets. And we're only using OEM, baby. You want to do it right and you want to get it right the first time, use OEM. We're 99.9% of the right. 99.9% of the time right. Even after OEM parts do have failure rates, but nowhere near as high as the aftermarket parts failure rates and issues. There's just nothing like OEM electrical. That's why we're using all of our OEM stuff right here from the dealer. Harnesses, gaskets, knock sensors. I had to clean up all the mess that was in this intake. I mean, it hasn't been serviced in a while. It's got a lot of crud in the intake ports. What's the cool thing is you can see the injector spray pattern. See it? It's just missed the top of the cylinder head just a little bit. So for everyone that thinks port injection is perfect, port injection is not perfect. Port injection is not perfect. Intake systems, induction systems, all that stuff still needs proper maintenance. Induction services, things like that. Not everything is perfect, and that's what the whole world doesn't realize. Even though your mechanic says it never needs to be serviced, I'm going to show you again. This is a port injected engine, and you can see the injectors where the fuel mists. Come on, work with me. Where the fuel mists the intake port right at the top. You can see some injectors are actually spraying better than the other too. And that's the best part of what I'm showing you here. So this is the driver's side. The top of the intake port, you can see the shiny aluminum. That's not from me. That's from the fuel injector. And then if you look at the other side, you can see the injector is actually doing a better job cleaning on one side than the other. Thanks for watching.